Hey Josh, hey Chris, it's Derek Price. Just gonna do a quick screencast here to show you how you're gonna be updating your website. I got a couple of these I'm gonna be making, and this one here is for you making a blog post in the gallery section. And of course, this might be kind of unfamiliar to you here, but this is the dashboard area. So when you log into your website, and we're going to get into some of that here in a little bit. Once you logged into your website, this is the first page that'll pop up, and it's the back end of your site here. So of course you see we got posts right here, and this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be creating a new post. Alright, so obviously under posts, there'll be add new. We're going to come back to that in a second. I'm really sorry, but what we're going to do here is, since it's the gallery post, we're going down here on the left to gallery. Alright, so we're going to be creating a new gallery. So what we're going to do here is add gallery / images. Now this is to go along with a couple images that Chris sent me for mobile data acquisition units. So what I'm going to do is create a gallery for that. So I'm just going to shorten that AU, make sure that's correct. Mobile data acquisition units. That's correct. All right. So going to hit add gallery. So we've created a new gallery. It's empty. There's nothing in it. All right. So what we're going to do here is import the images. We're going to upload images. And of course, let's go into that gallery. So we choose that gallery we're into. Alright, and we're going to browse my computer for the files. Alright, you can see I got you guys labeled, and inside my images folder, I labeled it tripod before I knew what these guys were called. So I'm going to select these pictures, and going to hit the upload button. Quick note there, some of the photos you guys sent me were kind of large. For our purposes, I've been resizing them down to about 600 px wide, 600 pixels wide, and as you can see, those pictures were successfully added. But yeah, as you can see there, based on your server memory limit, you not upload images larger than 2016 by 1512. But I got them pretty manageable size, just for displaying correctly on the site. Alright, so we've created the image gallery, we've uploaded the images, so now we're going to move on to create a new post. Alright, now you guys are both going to be administrator level, so you have the option to create new posts and pages. We're not going to worry about new pages just yet, but what we're going to do is new posts. So here we go. Actually, let's skip back down here. And I keep teasing this post thing, but we're going to work on the gallery here. Alright, we've got manage gallery. We want to go over here, and we want to just kind of tweak a couple things for the mobile data acquisition units. Alright, so you can see the two pictures. You got your thumbnails right there. You can do this. We have a title text. The title is right here, and then a description. Alright, so what happens is, if a user mouses over this image, you see I got a little bubble that pops up there, with like the alt tag or the title tag, depending on what system you're on. And so that's it's going to show up on the actual website, is what we put in here. So I'm going to just sort of paste that, and I'm going to do the same thing here, just for the sake of our demonstration here. And you guys can go in again under gallery and manage gallery to make those changes. So anything that's incorrect from what I put in here, you can go ahead and change that there. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little description under the image just to show you. Alright, so, and I'm just going to paste that in there just for the heck, just to show you something. And Obviously I don't know anything about these projects, or just what you've told me. So anyway, see tags here that will help people if they're searching for a particular thing, on the website if they're looking for something. So under tags, got mobile. I'm just doing that just to be concise about it. All right, and there are some tags I've created for your blog posts, and I'm just going to do that. So you can add anything that's relevant. Okay. So you got some tags here. You got an alt tag, title tag, and description, and some of the pictures that we put in galleries previously. I did not put all that information in. Just again, just kind of breezing through it, and you can go ahead and make those changes yourself. All right, so I'm gonna hit Save Changes. So we got the gallery created as it will be displaying. All right, so now we're going to make our new post. All right, clicking Add New under Posts on the left. Okay, and the title again, Mobile Data Acquisition Units. All right, and as we're doing a gallery post, after we put our title in here, before we do anything else, we want to make sure that we choose Gallery here under Categories, so it'll show up in the right place. Alright, and again, I'm going to add these as post tags, also helping with your search engine stuff if people are searching for you, search for something here, that'll help them out. Yeah, so let's see. In your Word doc, Chris, you had a description, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy that and paste that here in our visual editor, and this is the obviously here's the text, just like any other WYSIWYG editor. You have different styles that you can use. You got a bullet list, or unordered list, 1, 2, 3 list, and changing your orientation, and there's add a picture here, things like that. What we're going to do, just the most simple thing, we're going to start this out here and add our gallery. All you got to do here is click on this little tab here, add NextGen Gallery is what pops up, and that's what we're using. So we're going to click on that. Alright, we're going to select our gallery, and that's the MDAU. And we're going to display this as an image list, and basically that just means there's going to be some thumbnails at the top. Click on the thumbnail and it will pop up the image that you're selecting in what we call a lightbox, and it'll show your title tag and your description. So hit Insert. Alright, so now we're just at the draft stage right now. We're just going to save the draft, and of course it auto saves is pretty cool. And before we publish it, let's you got a lot of options here that we're not using. Before we publish it, we're going to go ahead and hit Preview just to take a look and see what it's going to look like. As you can see, here's our blog post. There's our tags. Alright, if somebody wants to leave a comment, they can do that. And I have it set for moderated comments, so you guys can control what kind of content other people are putting on. Alright, so we're going to click on this guy here. And here is our mobile data acquisition unit, and of course if there was some more information, then there would be on there in this area here. Alright, so you can view these two guys here, and we're done. Just click the X, and let's see if there's anything else we need to do here. We can close that out. We can hit Publish, and it'll go live to the web. Easy as that. We need to go back in. Of course, right now we're in Edit Post, but if we need to go back in and make some changes later, we can just click Edit under Posts, and we can change that, and add some tags, or change the content in here. And of course, again, if you have to edit anything in the gallery, down here under Gallery, and Manage Gallery. So that's that, and we'll just